I'm talking to angels? Huh? Shishya. Yeah. You speaking Chinese? Your brother's gonna speak Chinese before he speaks English. It's funny? It's funny? What are you doing? God bless you, princess. You dancing? Yeah, that's it. Hi, beautiful. Yeah? You happy, girl? Are you happy, girl? Yes, you is. Yes, you is. It's a mama's happy girl. And mama got happy boy. Yeah. Well, lucky mama got happy babies. Yeah. What lucky mama. Yeah. Mama lucky. Yeah. What else? And mama got 2 happy babies in the mornings. Yeah. Oh, brother's going crazy. He's going crazy over there. Huh? Go, 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 go. Yeah. Go ahead. Let's get the sillies out. Shake, shimmy them out. Get the sillies out. The sillies out. Get the sillies out. Oh, God. Yay! Yay! All done. Oh, you going for more? Angelica. Who's my beautiful girl? Who's Mama's beautiful girl? Hi, princess. Yeah. Hi, princess. Who's my princess? Yeah. Is it Mama's pretty girl? Where you running to? Where you running to? Huh? Oh, you see your brother? Yeah. Yeah. That's where it is. All right, say bye-bye. Joel, say bye-bye. Bye. Come on. Say bye. No? Okay, fine. You say bye. Angie, say bye. No? Neither one of you will say bye? Oh, big smiles. Okay, that's good enough. Perfect ending. That's the perfect ending. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, more? More? You're not ready? Is that your sissy? Joe, that's your sister? Yeah, do nice. Good boy. Oh, you hold her hand? Oh, she likes that. She doing nice big smiles. What a good boy. Yeah, you love her? What a good boy.